Good morning and welcome back to another episode of Ham-Bone Fishing. I'm on Lake Norman today, trying to shake off the funk that was left from Lake Hartwell and all of the terrible fishing that I've had the last couple of trips. So we're gonna see if we can catch a few today. Weather's been very consistent. It's overcast right now. I think it's gonna be partly cloudy all day today, and possibility of like a slight chance of rain. So hopefully they'll be biting top water. Water is 73.5 degrees, so it should be primed up for it. So we're gonna get to it and see what we can do. I've been fishing for a little bit, but apparently I can't cast a jerkbait right now. Very frustrated with not being able to cast a jerkbait without getting massive backlashes. So we're going to switch to the old buzzbait and see if we can actually catch a few. There's one. That's what we're looking for. That's a decent one too. All right. Yeah, that's a good one. He's gnarled up. All right, guys, first buzzbait fish of the year, and it is a good kayak fish. Definitely not a good boat fish. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, talk about post spawn. I mean, good grief. Let's put him on the board here real quick, see how long he is. This fish is 19 1/4. 19 1/4, but probably weighs like maybe 2 pounds. Hopefully he can go fatten up a little bit, but that was fun. That was good. That was a good bite. That was a good blow up. So just under that tree where he absolutely should have been. So let's get back to it. Look at all that bait. What the fuck, man? How did he miss it? first cast. Oh, it's a good one too. Good grief, dude. All right, listen, I was gonna try and go the whole day without throwing on a wacky rig, but I decided to put one on for literally first cast. I catch a good one. Let's get a length on him. Let me get the hook out. This one's this is 19 and a half-ish. Well, I think it's just going to be just under 19 and a half with that mouth closed. Where in the heck are these fish on tournament day? I mean, good grief. He's pretty green. Let me get him back. Where are these fish on tournament day? I just spent on Lake Hartwell about how many hours? 8 tournament day, and probably 6 or 8 the day before, and couldn't do anything. Couldn't find any big fish, and now I've got 2 19+ inch fish on freaking Lake Norman of all places, one of which was a largemouth. So I don't know, I guess we'll keep it rolling. He just came up and grabbed it. There's another one. Ouch. About 15 and a half. That one just kind of came up and slurped the buzzbait. Just kind of grabbed it. Hey. $13 and a quarter. That'll fill the plate. Oh, that fell off the bite. Now this is the size of fish on Lake Norman that I'm used to, but these are largemouth though. Usually it would be spots. Anyway. That's a decent one. Hey! You got a jump for me? Just a 14 and a half. What a largemouth again. Lots of largemouth today. All right, friends, we are kind of midday here. and it's been good so far. I feel a lot better. I feel a lot more confident in myself after having some really bad fishing on Hartwell and even on Lake Norman before Hartwell. So kind of shaking that little bug off and moved on. So we'll not dwell on that anymore, but I'm gonna fish the other side of this creek that I'm in and kind of fish my way out. There's a lot to hit. They've been biting the wacky rig, obviously, and I don't really want to catch them on that all day, if I'm honest. I might actually kind of, because I feel like I'm gonna get those like 14-inch bites over and over and over again. So I might switch up to like a shaky head or a jig, and just kind of throw that under docks and see if I can get some bites that way and see if there's any better quality there and kind of judge that. But it's been good, so let's keep it rolling. Well, that was certainly a journey. All that for a 13 and a half. I don't know if you guys can see this, and of course there's a pressure washer running. See if I can sneak up on him. Massive schools of bait. Look at it on the graph. It's a lot. Come here. Oh, come on. Come here. Come here. A largemouth. That's fish number 3 off the same dock. That's a good one. All right, so we've been catching them pretty good on the shaky head. This one's a little bit better of one. I think this one might touch 16. We'll get a length on them just to see, because I want to see kind of what type of quality I'm catching on this and stuff. Let's take a look. Oh, he touches 16. All right. Right on the tippy tip of the tail to touch 16, but that's the type of fish. I mean, my 4-fish limit right now would be a 19 1/4, a 19, this 16, and a 15. So I mean, I'd be having a pretty good day. Get him back, and yeah, I'm just throwing the shaky head under docks. I mean, you know, you can say all the time if you want, like, it's a pattern, it's a pattern. Like, it's literally always a pattern. Shaky head on docks. It always will be a pattern. It always has been a pattern. That's a big wake. Woo! But we're gonna get back to it. I'm not gonna fish too much longer today, but it has sure been nice leaning into a few to try and get over that Hartwell. So let's get back to it. All right, dudes, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for me today. You know, had a good day. That was exactly what I needed. The morning started out pretty frustrating with I didn't have my reel set correctly to throw the to throw the jerkbait the way I needed to. I don't know what was on a point. There was a bunch of fish. I could see them on the graph. I could see them busting. I'm wondering if they were like gar or carp or something. I don't know. I couldn't get them to bite. Trying to throw a jerkbait and I just kept backlashing. Finally got that figured out, and to not throw it basically at all anymore for the day. Got some on the V-twin buzzbait. Caught some on the wacky rig, and then really started getting into them on the shaky head. I think I caught like 3 or 4 fish off one dock. That's always fun. Just keep casting in, keep setting the hook. It's nice. But we're getting out of here. I got a heck of a pedal back. Lake's getting pretty busy. I'm sure the ramp is going to be crazy. So I'm gonna get out of here, getting some AC, get rehydrated, and enjoy the rest of this beautiful Saturday. Man, what a great day. It's a good time to be outside right now. But I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.